Welcome to Anil Tv channel. Today's our topic is punctuation. Today we discuss about punctuation marks. Today's our topic is punctuation. In punctuation we have different types: full stop, comma, exclamatory marks, question mark, parenthesis. It is also called as round brackets. So it is double quotation mark, and it is square. It is called as square brackets. It is called as single quotation. Here hyphen, em dash, en dash. Here obligations is nothing but or. So in briefly we will discuss about full stop. Full stop, it indicates at the end, it is used at the end of the sentence. Example, this is a storybook. So here it is used at the end of the sentences. This is a story book. We used it here. Next, comma. It is used to separate the list of the items. Example, Rani has learned to play the violin, comma, sitar and drums. So here you see, comma, it is used to separate the list of the items. Here the list of the items are nothing but violin, sitar and drums. So next we will go for question mark. It asks about something. Example, what are you doing here? So it asks about something. What are you doing here? Now next, exclamatory marks. It is used to express sudden expressions. Expressions in our face. Example, what a pretty, wow. climber. These are the sudden expressions. It is used. Now we will discuss about parenthesis. It is also called as round bracket. Used to replace them without changing the sentence. Example: globe is in spherical, nothing but round, in shape. Double quotation mark. It is used to in direct speech. Ravi said going to here. Ravi said, I am going to the library for a few hours. So it is a direct speech. So it is used with double quotation marks. To set up the titles of the film, comma, short story, comma, poems, books. Example: I read a naughty boy poem and enjoyed it. Here, single quotation mark, it helps to set off the titles of the films, short stories, poems and books. I read a naughty boy poem and enjoyed it. So a naughty boy is named nothing but it is a poem. So it is used with single quotation mark. So hyphen, it is used to say one or more adjectives. So here Rani wear a beautiful red silk saree. Here beautiful is an adjective, red is an adjective, silk saree, it says about saree, how it is beautiful red silk saree. So N dash, so it indicates a period of time. So example, the teacher revised 1 to 3 chapters today. So here 1 to 3 it indicates a period of time. So again it has used to express separate the day and month and time. So here em dash it is used to indicates a long period of time. So example, we waited for the bus in the continuous heavy rain for almost an hour. So here em dashes it indicates long period. Here nothing but waited for the bus in the continuous heavy rain for almost an hour. So it is indicates em dash and epices point. So it omitted words are to add effect to the sentence. So example, he walked all the way. Okay, he all the way means it adds other effects on the sentences. It is means is there continuation.